Hang-eez presents a how-to video for the Sawtooth Hanging Tool. With both hands, grab the tool and place its hook side toward the back of the frame. Ensure the wide hook is positioned upward. Once below the hanger, set the wide hook underneath the hanger and slide up into position. Ensure the marking pointer is centered on the hanger. Now that the Hang-eez hanging tool is set, place the frame at the desired location and level as desired. Once ready, press at the tool's location to make a mark on the wall. Once the wall is marked, remove the hanging tool from the frame by simply sliding it down. Install your desired hanging nail at the marked locations. We are using these double-headed picture hanging nails. Hang the picture. And you're done. Hang-eez, simple, efficient, and fun. Hang-eez tools are patent pending. Visit us at hang-eez.com.